Hello everyone and welcome back to DET Coach's Beginner's Guide to the Duolingo English Test. In the previous lesson, we looked at the overall interactive reading workflow. In this lesson, we'll work on the first task, complete the sentences. You receive a passage containing several blanks. For each blank, choose one word from the options. You must complete all the blanks before moving to the next question. This task shares a 7 or 8 minute time limit with the 5 questions that follow. When the task begins, do not open each set of options right away. Read the complete sentences first and work out what the passage is about. Once the topic is clear, fill in the blanks you can answer immediately. Then return to the ones that require you to analyze the sentence structure. Let's work directly with biophysics from the lesson materials. Before touching the options, read the complete opening sentence. Biophysics is the study of the physical properties of living things. This sentence tells us what biophysics studies. The key terms study, physical properties, and living things will recur later in the passage. Once we have this central idea, we can begin filling in the blanks. Start with the first blank, which refers to physics, and the rest of the clause defines physics. The subject is singular, and the passage states general facts, so we select is. For the second blank, we can use the opening sentence directly. The phrase living things already appears there. This sentence defines biology, so it again uses the science of living things. The answer is things. The third blank also repeats language from the passage. We have already seen physical properties. This sentence simply replaces living things with organisms. The answer is still properties. The fourth blank requires us to look more closely at the structure. Properties in the missing word are joined by and both complete the phrase, the study of. The phrase, the effects of physical processes on living things, refers to how physical processes influence living organisms. We therefore select effects. The fifth blank is quicker. We need an adjective before things, and the passage consistently discusses living things, so the answer is living. Do not rush to choose the sixth answer. This is the blank that requires the most sentence structure analysis. If we restore the omitted relative pronoun, the full structure is the effect that certain chemicals have on living cells. The phrase certain chemicals is the subject of the relative clause. The clause still needs a main verb, so we select have. For the seventh blank, start with the core sentence structure. The subject is injuries and diseases, and the object is the structure of skin. We need a transitive verb between them. Affect means influence and fits the structure, so we select it. The eighth blank returns to the passage's central idea. We need a verb after. Some biophysicists also, and the passage has repeatedly used study to describe research, so the answer is study. The final blank appears before systems, so we need an adjective. The passage discusses living things, organisms, and living cells, which makes biological systems the natural phrase. We therefore select biological. Now that all 9 blanks are complete, let's quickly reread the passage. Looking back, blanks 2, 3, 5, 8, and 9 mainly rely on repeated topic words. Blanks 1, 6, and 7 require sentence structure analysis. Blank 4 uses both coordination and a fixed expression. On the test, do not keep struggling with one blank simply because it comes next. Choose the answers you can determine first, then use information from the full passage to solve the remaining blanks. Once you have confirmed that the passage is coherent, submit your answers. For more complete the sentences examples and practice, see the illustrated materials for this lesson on the DET Coach website. I'll see you in the next lesson.